Hanging out with Todd Morey, former, well, are you a former announcer, or are you still doing some of that stuff?
Still doing some stuff. I get actually a couple offers, so we'll see what happens coming up in 26.
Okay, Swagger Apparel, Swagger Factory Apparel
Factory, yep.
is now his new thing. How long have we been doing that?
Yeah, so I've owned the company a year and a half. The company's been around 5, but
okay.
In my hands for a year and a half.
How's it going?
Going great. Just got back from Charlotte, did 2 weeks there.
Mm-hmm.
30 new Swagger Factory customers from Charlotte, so that was exciting.
Good.
Did not expect that at all.
Okay.
So we'll be back there, and of course we're here for the Syracuse show. Jeremy does a great job here with
yes, he does.
with his setup, and yeah, it's good. I just sold a suit before you got here.
Nice. We read this on Friday night. I came home at dinner time and put this up, so I'm coming back later. Why should people come and check you out for a suit?
Yeah. Well, lightweight Nomex. I feel like our customer service is second to none.
Mm-hmm.
We do a payment structure. We're the only company that does that. So
Okay.
if you need to stretch things out, racers on a budget.
Mm-hmm.
We want to keep you safe, but we'll stretch out your payments for you. So custom measurements.
You want to tell them about last night when I beat you in a race?
No, I think you need to go away, and we need to do this over now.
There you go.
Brady. Can't find good help these days.
I know, you got to let Brady in here and there, so he just sees the camera and something draws it to him like a moth, and it's just the way that it is. So,
Is he still in the background?
Yeah, he's still back there chattering away. Just don't watch him eat a hot dog, okay?
All about Brady.
Yeah, do not watch that.
No, that is-
and it's not like what you're thinking either. So get your dirty minds out of the gutter there, guys. It's not like that at all. So
it's all about Brady.
There you go. So what's the deal like? People come in.
Yep.
How many people can buy off the rack? How many need something custom?
So you know what? Not too many people buy off the rack anymore.
No.
We can, but they want a custom suit.
Okay.
They see some of the designs we have on the wall. We have great designers, some in-house ones, some outsourced designers, lightweight Nomex. And we have a lot of options. All the gussets, the shoulder gussets, the back gusset. When you're working on your race car, you want to bend over
true.
and that suit not pull up your butt. You want
Or
your
not
back-
be able to bend over
Right,
and
you
work
want
on it.
You want your back to stretch. So we have a nice back gusset there.
Oh,
It's
nice.
specially designed.
Yeah, it's just like a stretchy part,
Yeah,
basically,
of course.
right?
Crotch
Yeah.
gussets. So you got some movement. You got the safety, but
Okay.
you got movement in your suit as well. We have a cool suit that's coming out. I actually have to talk to you
An
off
actual
camera.
cool suit. Okay.
We have a suit that we made that's a very special design for a young lady. That'll be debuted this evening.
Okay.
We'll invite you back for that.
All right.
We have a couple of cartoon suits coming out. We made a clown suit for a guy.
Nice.
So people say, oh, well, that company can't do this, that company can't do that. We'll take the time. I don't want to say no. And we'll make some special things for some special racers.
For people who can't be here this weekend, how can they find out more about you?
704-701-8875. You can text me, swaggerfactory.com. Hit us up on Facebook, hit us up on Instagram, direct message, 5 or 6 ways to get a hold of us, and we always answer.
Very good. Good to see you as always, man.
Thank you, sir.
And we won't even bring up any of the stories from the past. We'll bring that up another time. We'll write a book on that probably at some point later. Maybe a short book, but it'll be a book nonetheless. Always good to see you, man. Good luck with Swagger Factory Apparel.
Appreciate you, Doug.